Hi guys. Right, I'm going to show you how to play Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. I'm going to show you as easy as I possibly can. So this is the fastest, easiest way, I think, to play Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Now, if we look at the keyboard, let's look at where we're going to start with this song. I'm going to play it for you first. Okay, folks. So that's the basic tune. So the main thing that we've got to do is find out where we're going to actually start. Now, if you look at the keyboard, if you're a beginner and you've never looked at a keyboard before, I'm going to show you the easiest way to find one of the most important notes, which is middle C. A C note, which is where we're going to start in this particular song, is here. Now, how do I know that this is a C note? Well, I'm going to show you. It's because if you look at the keyboard, can you see there's a pattern of 2 black notes here? Okay, there's also a pattern of 3 black notes here. And that just repeats up and down the keyboard. Now, whenever you can find 2 black notes together, like here, the note immediately to the left of those 2 black notes is C. Okay, so you look for the 2 black notes, and then there is C. Now, once we've got C, all we need to do is think of the alphabet, because the notes just go C, D, E, F, G. And then in music, what happens then is that it starts again from A, and then B, and then can you see we've come up to that note that's by the 2 black notes, so that's C again. Okay, so let's just go through that. We've got C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. And those are the 7 notes of music. Those are your 7 basic notes. Now, for this particular song, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, all we need is C up to A. So we need C, D, E, F, G, and A. Okay, so those are the only ones we need. We need just those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 notes. Okay, C up to A. And the way I want you to get your hand position, because hand position when you're playing keyboard or piano is really important. It helps you play smoother, lets you get to the notes quicker and easier, just improves everything. So fingering's really important. Your fingering on the keyboard. Okay, I want you to start by putting your thumb on the C and then just spreading your fingers up over the 5 notes. Okay, the first 5 notes. So let's just try that. Get your hands into that position and then just check that you're okay playing all of those 5 notes one at a time. So we're just going to go C, D, E, F, G. Okay, you try that. C, D, E, F, G. Okay, now for Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, you might remember that we needed to get up to this A note here. We needed to go C up to A, which is that one there, okay? So what I want you to do is start to play this particular tune in that position there. So we get your thumb on the C, and then you miss one, and then put the rest of your fingers up from there. Okay? So try that. So now we should be playing C, E, F, G, and A. Okay, those are the notes that we've got. Now, let's play our first bit of this particular tune, Twinkle Twinkle. And the way that we're going to do it, I'll shout out the notes for you, and then you can see what's happening. It's going C, C, G, G, A, G. Okay, so that's our first phrase. There's actually 3 phrases to play this tune. That's all we need, 3 phrases. So here's our first one. C, C, G, G, A, G. Okay, and as you play it, what I want you to do is try and think about how the notes are going higher, which is that way in pitch, or lower, which is that way in pitch. And this will help you as you progress with your keyboard playing. So, let's look at this phrase again. So, phrase 1, first part of Twinkle Twinkle. Get your fingers into the right position, and we're all ready to go. And it's C, C, G, G, A, G. Okay, now your next position, if you notice, I've changed back to those 5 fingers over the 5 notes. Can you see? And all we're going to do here, phrase number 2, is starting on the F, and we're going F, F, E, E, D, D, C. Okay, let me do that again. So phrase number 2, F, F, E, E, D, D, C. Okay, do that one more time. F, F, E, E, D, D, C. Okay, so let's put all of that together. So start from the beginning. So remember your hand was in that position. So I'll give you a chance to get ready. Okay, and let's all do it together. After 2, 1, 2. C, C, G, G, A, G. Back to that 5 position. F, F, E, E, D, D, C. Okay, now our next position, next phrase, we've learned 2 of the phrases. We need 1 more phrase, and then that's the whole song. And the next phrase is this. Okay, let me play that again. I'll shout out the notes. G, G, F, F, E, E, D. Okay, let's try that again. G, G, F, F, E, E, D. Okay, now once we've learnt those 3 phrases, so there was our first phrase. C, C, G, G, A, G. Our second phrase, F, F, E, E, D, D, C. And our third phrase, G, G, F, F, E, E, D. And that's it. So let's put our 3 phrases together and play the whole song. Are you ready? Phrase 1. C, C, G, G, A, G. Phrase 2. F, F, E, E, D, D, C. Phrase 3. G, G, F, F, E, E, D. Phrase 3 again. G, G, F, F, E, E, D. Phrase 1. C, C, G, G, A, G. Phrase 2. F, F, E, E, D, D, C.